go from here. The retail mix has been helping us out a lot, so it's going to be hard to bail on that. So, just trying to figure out what do we do, since we are using our seating area to display and sell those items. How do we kind of come up with a hybrid, a mix that still allows us to have these items, but also when we're ready to welcome people back in to sit with us, where do we and how do we do that?
We do have plans. We still want to expand. We have, my husband he's a brewer. We bought 4 big fermenters a few years ago, and that's the goal now, is to get those up and running, because we realize we really have to get the beer out more.
But we will continue doing everything that we can to keep up with the demand, to adjust when we need to, do whatever we need to do, to support our customers and the community.
We're looking forward to utilizing State Street again for outdoor dining. It's going to be a blast. We'd love to be able to expand on that. There'll be an opportunity to do a little bit more this year. We definitely want to continue to have it family oriented. That's huge. That's what Kennett's all about.
In the beginning, I was doing delivery boxes with DIY kits, so make your own pizza at home with the kids, do a cookie decoration box. So 2021, I'm excited to do more personalized stuff like that. Every single holiday that I can think of, I'm going to do something for it.
Keep being supportive of the local, keep shopping local. Doesn't matter my FBS or other places, it's just keep buying and spend the money local.
We have a Pie of the Month subscription program, which I know you're a member of. And that's amazing, at the holidays too. We have a bunch of people who have gifted it to themselves, but also to other people, because then it's an excuse to not cook one day a week or one day out of the month that is your pie day. So we started offering that in the small pies as well as large pies. Before it started out just large sweet pies, and then we added savory pies, and now we do the 5-inch as well. So that's been really awesome. Yeah. So thanks for being a member.
I'm looking forward to having guests in my dining room. Once you've had, no laughter in your dining room, and then you hear it again, it's it was it was not only reassuring and rejuvenating and inspirational and all of those great things, but it was physically something that we didn't hear for months, and that is something that if you're used to hearing everyone laughing around you, and then it stops, and then it comes back, that's something special.
We plan to open up dining again indoors before Valentine's Day, so we'll be opened up at capacity, whatever they'll allow us to have for indoor dining here. Plan to open that up very soon, and then obviously in springtime the patio will open back up. We've got as many heaters as we can out there. We might add some more, but anything we can do to kind of make it comfortable here for our customers, we plan to do.
Kennett Square, I can't thank you enough. You have absolutely been wonderful to Kennett Brewing Company, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Kennett Square, for your support. Thank you.
Thank you for all of your support.
Thank you from all of us at Nomadic Pies.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Y muchas gracias.
On behalf of Verbena, myself, and all of the staff, I would like to say thank you to all the support that we've received over the past 10 months during this pandemic. So thank you so much.
We are Kennett Strong.